beauties, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm going to be doing another DIY, and the DIY I will be doing today will be the headband wig that I've been seeing all over YouTube. I wanted to create it. I wanted to create something that is similar to that without spending so much money. So I understand that with the headband you just get a wig just with the headband in case you're just running out of time to style your hair or to put on a proper like 4x4 lace wig, or you just want something fast and simple. So I went on a lot of websites, and I went on a lot of I watched a lot of YouTube videos on people who actually had those wig, and they were actually very expensive, and I will have to say I was not willing to spend so much money on a wig that you can just put on for a while and you can take it off. You know, you can actually do much with that wig than if you were to have like a proper 4x4 or 13x6 wig. I'm going to be creating my own crocheted headband wig for you guys today. I hope you like, I hope you subscribe. If you're not subscribed to my channel yet, guys, please subscribe to my channel. Push that button down below so that you get a notification whenever I upload a video. And also please also follow me on my Instagram page, and let's get right into this tutorial. So you don't actually need much for this tutorial. So what you're going to be needing is this mesh wig making cap, or you need a crocheted hook, and you need a hair of your choice. As I mentioned before, because I don't really want to spend so much money on this headband wig, I'm going to be using the expression hair. This was I got this from Nigeria. Somebody was coming from Nigeria to Canada, and I asked them to grab me some hair, and I had a lot of this hair color, and so I just wanted to use the leftovers that I have of this hair to create this wig. So, and you're also going to be needing an airband, but I will show you guys later on what else you will be needing. So as I said, a wig making cap, a crochet hook, and any hair extension of your choice. You can use curly hair, you can use straight hair, you can use any hair of your choice. So let's get right into it. So I'm just going to open this up, and I'm going to place this on my mannequin right here and secure that down with a pin. So I'm going to just place this on my mannequin like this. So I want the tiny, like as you can see, they have different size of holes on them, if I can say that. So they have different kinds of the different size. So you want this to be on the front because you want the front to be like really nice looking. So you just want to put this on your mannequin. You can go ahead and secure this with a pin like this, and you can go ahead and crochet your hair on the wig cap. So I already have my, let me position this properly. So I have all the hair section out, so this is going to make it faster for me, so I don't have to constantly take out hair. So this is already arranged, like I already sectioned them out, and I'm using this thread spoon. I don't know what this is called. I'm going to leave the link. I got this on what is it called, Amazon. This really actually helped me a lot when I'm doing braids, anything that you can just get your stuff going. The hair one by one, and crochet the hair on the wig cap. So I would say it's better for you to do it twice, because you're going to, it's better for you to like put the knot twice, because you're going to be combing that out. So you just want to go ahead. You can leave space, depend how full you want the hair. You can always come back and put more hair if you want, and you can remove if you want. So you just want to go ahead. So guys, so I'm just going to crochet the hair of your choice to the wig cap. The reason I also chose this wig cap is already come with an elastic band. In case you don't want to use any other band on the hair, you can just put some, you can sew in some combs in there and you're good to go. This wig making cap is a very good choice for this method, like this tutorial. So, and also when you're done with this with the hair or the wig, you can always twist this wig. You can curl it. You know, I have videos on how to turn your expression to different kinds of curls, and also there's so many videos here on YouTube how you can transform the straight expression weaving hair to other texture like curly, wavy, and other twist, braid, and you can turn this wig to any other wig that you want. If you're tired of it, if you're done with it, you can always turn this wig to something else, so you're not wasting your hair. If you're done with it, you can switch it up, you can turn it to something else. That is the reason I really wanted to do this method like this. And yeah, so as you can see here, I'm just crocheting all the hair in here, guys, and it's very quick, it's very simple, it's very fast, and also is inexpensive. Like I spent less than $3.99. I won't say, yeah, just for the wig cap. I only got the wig cap for $3.99, and that was it. As you can see, it's very quick and very fast. I finished this within like an hour or so, and it came out really pretty. At the front, because the holes are really tiny, I reduced the amount of hair I put at the front as well. So yeah, as you can see, it was, I don't know why I waited so long to do this wig method. It's actually very nice. It came out pretty. Guys, let me know, would you try something like this out? Would you want to try this out and see how it works for you? I know if you have the money to purchase the real like hair and like any wig that you want with this method, I would say go ahead. But for me, I was not willing to spend so much money on on a wig that I can actually create myself. You know, I like to switch things up. I'm not the person that like to wear the same thing. Like, I don't know, I just like to switch things up. I don't know. Yeah, that's what I did. It was quick and fast, and the color that I chose, I wanted something red, you know, some different color, not black or any like the regular black thing. I just wanted like some colorful, something that goes with the season that we're about to come into, like fall or something like that. It was pretty quick for me, I won't lie. So also guys, please, if you're not subscribed to my channel yet, I beg you, please push the subscribe button down below. Also leave a comment on my videos. Do you like the videos that I'm currently posting? Would you want to see something else? As I said before, on this channel I do wig makeup and DIYs. I have a second channel called Team Ivy where I do all the stuff, and check that channel out. Please subscribe to that channel, help me get to 1,000 on that channel. And yeah, I will be downloading and uploading different kinds of content on that channel. And I had to try and fill out the little gap that was in between. You can fill this up as much as you want so that you won't be able to see much holes, but I'm going to be adding the hairband at the front. I didn't need to fill it up that much, so I went ahead to brush everything backwards, and so I can put my elastic band. So I have a piece of fabric at home. There was a time I was interested in sewing, so I bought a whole lot of fabric, and this was one of the fabric that I still have, and I went ahead, I cut a piece out, and I'm going to be sewing that to the wig. So as you can see, it's amazing. Like, just I didn't even finish it yet. I was already loving the wig, and it was that simple. Like, you can just go ahead and sew this on with the sewing machine if you have a sewing machine. If you have a thread and needle, you can just use thread and needle. But today I decided to use thread and needle because whenever I'm using my sewing machine, my needle just keep breaking and I don't know why. So I decided to give this sewing machine a break and figure out what the problem is with the sewing machine. So I went ahead and just used a thread and needle. You also want to make sure that if you're using an elastic band, measure it first from one side of your face to the other to see how long you want it to be, and make sure they're all even. So as you can see, it was easy for me to attach the fabric to the wig cap because it already had an elastic. So I'm just sewing that onto the elastic and try and cover up the front. So that is what I did. It was pretty easy. It was super gorgeous, and I'm going to go ahead and just use thread and needle to sew that on just like this. So I just sew that on like this, and yeah, within 3-4 minutes I was done sewing this, not even up to. So as you can see, really quick and fast. Guys, please, if you're not subscribed to my channel yet, please push the subscribe button down below, and also push the bell button down below so that you get a notification whenever I upload a video. And also please kindly follow my Instagram page as ivj_, and you can see all my posts on my Instagram page. I'm more there than here on YouTube. And also follow my second channel. I just recently opened a second channel. I has been up, but I didn't post anything until recently. So please guys, go follow my second YouTube channel, Team Ivy, and over there I'm going to be posting all other videos that I would really love to post, like come cook with me, clean with me, or spend a day with me, come decor with me, and every other videos that I would really love to share here on YouTube. And yeah, I hope you guys like. I just went ahead to to lay my baby edges down, and as you can see, your sister doesn't have much edges left, but you know what, I've always struggled with my edges. You know what, it is what it is. So yeah, I just went ahead to lay my edges down, did my makeup, and I'm going to go ahead and put on my wig. And as you guys can see, it looks amazing. I love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. And guys, let me know, would you love to create this wig? Would you create something like this? And if you do, and how did it turn out to be? Did you like it, or you wish, you know, do you want me to change something about the tutorial? Do you like the tutorials that I'm posting nowadays? I know I don't post that much, and I'm trying to do as much as I can. It's just that, you know what, I've been losing like lack of interest, let me just put it that way. And yeah, and also busy with other stuff. And yeah, so that is all about this tutorial. I hope you like. I hope you subscribe. And if you're new, thank you so much for clicking on this video. And if you're returning, I'm grateful that you're still coming back to watch my video. It means a lot to me. And I'm going to let you guys go watch this video to an end, and I'll see you guys on my next video. And leave a comment what you want the next video to be, okay? So I was done, and I just wanted to play a little bit around with the hair and do all kinds of styles that, you know what, I wanted to create with this hair. You could put it in a bun, you could put it up, you could like half down, up, half up. You can do so much stuff, like I can do a little bit with this hair. And yeah, so that is the tutorial. I hope you like, and please push the subscribe button down below. Also let me know, does this hair color looks good on me? It's red, and yeah, let me know, does it look good on me? and I'm going to let you guys go. Yeah, that is all about it. Thank you so much guys for watching. I'm let you guys go and see you guys on my next video. Bye.
It's fake kills.
Original, puffing on me high grade, sipping on me.